It is pulling off, and it gets above the lock and it's messing up unlocking the door. So it's time to glue it. This is a 2014 Ford Explorer, and this happened in 2015. Yeah, it's a real gem of a glue job, guys. I bought this Minute Weld instant setting epoxy, 1 minute clear. There it goes. And then mix it up just like good old times, guys. Just like good old times. We got 1 minute. Get my old paintbrush. Just let me apply it. You get the gist. Oh jeez, clock's ticking. Alright, I'm just gonna paint the glue. And I gotta hurry, guys, but yeah, just paint it. You know what it is. Alright. I'd say that fixed about 75%. I couldn't get the lip in time because I was too busy filming. So you see it still pops up a little bit, but hey, bought us some more time. Be sure and get maybe a less, this was a 1 minute setting epoxy. Maybe if you get a 5 minute, it'll give you enough time to get the edges, because the edges seem to be the hardest part. Yeah, and I ended up using the whole bottle. So there goes $7 down the drain. It's starting to pop up, so I'm just gonna sit here for an hour and rest my arm on it. Oh, glue. Yee. Oh no, it's on the window. I accidentally hit the button there. There's my paper towels on the ground. Hey, I used that to wipe away some of the glue. Alright guys, I jammed some of the towels and a diaper into the door to take over my arm holding duties, because I'm a one-man army and I got a lot of stuff to do. I got some yard work to do, so I'm gonna let the wet rag, the dry rag, and the diaper take care of the rest of the repair. But I hope this video was worth it. It seems to be working. If not a permanent solution, should buy me some time. There we go. Alright, panicked and got a new adhesive because the foam was starting to tear. This kind seems to be actually working. I don't know if that's backwards in the video or not. Alright, this is a graphic warning. Feminine products were used. They work great in holding this down. Look how good it's working. Don't judge me. I have one more to put in. I had to figure out how to get them out. God. Put this on my finger. I slid it under the lining on the lip and just went all the way across. As it dries in an hour, take all the time you want because I got my backup. So that's how you fix the adhesive on your Ford Explorer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Just like that, job is done. Yeah, we got a couple feathers, but we'll be okay. Not too bad, guys. All right, see y'all later.